You've been waiting for them to change, but they won't. You've been holding on to someday, but it never comes. You're not broken for believing in their promises. You are responding to hope. Healing starts when you stop believing in their future and start believing in your own. Do you find yourself questioning if your relationship is abusive? Take our Is My Relationship Abusive quiz and take the first step toward understanding your situation. Healing after future faking begins with one radical truth. They're not going to change, but your life still can. For so long, you've lived on promises, waiting for apologies, commitment, or growth that never came. But that waiting has cost you time, peace, and trust in yourself. Now your healing begins by shifting the focus from them to you. End the illusion, face the present. Stop grading the relationship on potential. Ask yourself, if nothing changes, could I stay? That question brings clarity, not comfort, but truth. The answer often reveals that you haven't been in love with who they are, but with who you hoped they'd become. Once you stop grading the relationship on potential, you start to see the pattern, the same emotional bait that kept you hooked. Break the emotional loop. Future faking conditions your brain to survive on false hope. The dopamine hits from maybe next time. Breaking that loop means detoxing from those highs. When they reach out with, I'm working on it, or I miss you, don't respond to the words. Watch the patterns. Clarity grows when you stop chasing closure from the person who caused the confusion. As you step out of that loop, you'll notice the silence. And that's where rebuilding begins. Rebuild self-trust. Future faking erodes your inner compass. It teaches you to doubt your instincts. Rebuilding means listening to your body again. If peace feels strange and chaos feels familiar, that's trauma, not love. Start rebuilding safety through consistency in your routines, your boundaries, and your voice. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you repair the self-trust they broke. Anchor your healing in action. Don't wait to feel ready. Healing happens in motion. Separate your finances, reconnect with supportive people, and reimagine your future around you. Replace hope-based timelines with action-based reality. I stay only when I see consistent, self-driven change, not promises, not words. Your worth isn't measured by how long you waited. It's proven by the moment you stop. Healing after future faking isn't about letting go of a person. It's about letting go of the illusion. If you've ever been promised a future that never came, comment "no more waiting." Let's reclaim that phrase together. Thank you for watching. Download our free resources, which will help you understand the patterns of abuse, spot the warning signs, and take your first steps toward reclaiming your strength and autonomy. Please raise awareness by sharing with others. You can also like or subscribe if it is safe to do so. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out related videos. See you in the next video.